So what do we have going on over here, George?
Well, I've just been shimming the crank and the gear set. The gearbox is all internal, so it's all inside the motor, so it's got to be shimmed right. Otherwise, once you get it all together, if it doesn't work, you got to take the whole motor apart. It's not like the Norton gearbox. So I've replaced all the bearings, got the crank back, had a new rod pressed in. It's a pressed rod, and journal setup.
And anything here as well you want to?
Yeah, just the gearbox. I've got some new gears from different locations, cleaning them up. I just pressed new bearings into the clutch housing and cleaned everything up. So it's ready to go together. Some blasting of parts and cleaning them up and getting the surface rust off.
And then this tank, amazing. You got the tank back. Wow, amazing, George.
Yeah, it's a pretty color.
And we'll see more of it on the bike as well. Whoa! Look at that shine.
I'll just show it.
Yeah.
All ready to go in.
Got the seat on here, George.
Yeah, I got the seat fitted up, and the tank is all fitted up. I've been polishing stainless steel bolts and getting things ready. I did have the engine cases in the frame. I put it in just to practice the angle of putting it in. And I think I'm going to just build the bottom end and put it in the frame, and then put the cylinder and the rest of it.
Wonderful. Well, next time we come over,
Yeah.
might be a very interesting trip.
Here's the cylinder.